All right, these are breaking inputs coming in on stringent view on attack on coronavirus warriors and lockdown violations. So this is regarding what the Uttar Pradesh state government has now decided to do, giving a nod to strict punishment for the attack that continues on corona warriors. This would mean police on duty and our doctors and frontline medical practitioners. Giving this nod for punishment for those accused of such attacks. They will now face imprisonment here as well. So the number of years is going to be 7 years of imprisonment, also up to 5 lakh penalty. Ordinance here that has provisions on penalties for quarantine violators as well. We have with us our correspondent Amir Haq getting us further inputs. Amir, this is when the state government now passing this ordinance. It is not just an instruction that has come in from the Chief Minister's office, but perhaps UP being the first state to pass this ordinance.
Well, yes, in fact, even on the day the central government had brought about these amendments in the Central Epidemic Act, the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had made it absolutely clear that the UP government will bring in even more stringent law to safeguard the corona warriors, from the policemen who stand on guard at the barriers, to the doctors, to the paramedics, as well as the nursing and staff pertaining to various wards who are actually involved in taking care of corona-positive patients. And also for sanitation workers, a new and very stringent law will be enacted and brought about in UP. And that's what the UP cabinet has done today. It has passed all such amendments that will be done in the Epidemic Act to make it more difficult for people to make it for corona warriors who actually want to make it difficult for corona warriors to fight against this disease. Now, anybody who not just attacks the corona warriors here, but also people who involve themselves in littering, in perhaps indulging in acts like spitting on health and medical staff, will actually be brought to book, and very stringent punishment has been against them. Fine from rupees 50,000 to rupees 5 lakh, and imprisonment from 6 months to 7 years is being envisaged against all such people who violate this act. And also, for anybody who is put in quarantine or in isolation, if he escapes quarantine or isolation, if he tries to travel in public transport, knowing fully well that he can infect other persons, knowing fully well that he is corona positive, then this act will be invoked against them. And as I said earlier, very, very stringent punishment has been made possible against all such people who violate this particular law.
All right, so quarantine violators will be taken to task here as well, apart from those accused of attacking our corona warriors. Amir, thank you for getting us those inputs.